So what again? You can see the crowd. Film the crowd. Film the crowd and send to Buhari.
For DSS to give order, I thought about the judges is an impunity. And it will end today. We will march to the National Assembly and tell the National Assembly enough is enough of DSS. Enough is enough. This man
from the north. Will they stop him yet? If this man from the north, the first civilian governor of Anambra State, look at him sitting outside. He cannot go inside to witness the trial. Tomorrow the NTA will come and give us what they want to know. They are allowing them the call this and that, this and that.
No, I think we should get but people go to this area.
If it is the North, they are
we have also a president here. Let us do it right now.
Even the CJ himself, Camara done the case very before another judge. He doesn't pass. The CJ, it's part of the legal provision of the law that the DS will be empowered to carry guns. The same law can also stop them. Everywhere in the law, everywhere in the world, security they try to abide by the provision of the law. They made it so popular. They made it